So today, we'll add some news and a news report. First, let's create some news and a news template under the news site. All the company news from different departments or locations will be added here on the site. So, let's start by creating a custom page template so that we can reuse them. Click Create Page, create blank, add the title, click the icon Save as Template, add page template name, then let's change the layout and add some stock image. Let's also add some content and images. Now let's add the image report and add stock image. Then add new section and apply some section design. Once happy with your changes, click Save Page Template. Now let's create some news using this page template. So click Create. Since we are creating news, we need to click News Post. Choose our news template. Add the page name. Change the thumbnail image by clicking Page Detail and change thumbnail. Let's use any stock image. And we can also edit the content if we need. Then click Publish News. You can send this news post to email, or else you can click Skip. Let's create two more news. So click Create News Post, choose a template, then add the title, change the thumbnail image, and click Publish News. Let's create one more news. Add the title, change the thumbnail image, and click Publish News. Now, if you open Pages, you should see our template is created, as well as 3 news posts. Now, let's show this news in the home side using the news webpart. So open Home, edit the site, click the plus icon, add news webpart. In the source, I want to show news only from the news site, so choose Select Site and News. Then we can make other configurations if needed. I will change the layout to a hub news. Then we can show or hide views, author, publish date, etc. We can also filter the news, enable audience targeting, and sort the news. Once happy, click Publish Changes. We can then see the news. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll add some web parts like people, highlighted content, clock, etc. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.